Welcome to our channel, LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology. Once you cut those covers or remove them, we still need to take this off. The reason why we're doing it this way is if you try to open the clip, the chances of the clip to break is high. So you're most likely going to end up breaking all of them. So this way you prevent that from happening. And again, you just present the cover that belongs to each side. This is for this one, airbag this side, airbag in this other side. Same process. Center, one has Velcro, the bottom section, we don't worry about that one. Just want to do this one. Three. Just like a dance. 1, 2, 3. Then we center this. And we walk the side. Oh, the side. And we need to work in the airbag. So we're going to pull this aside so you can see that other one. Same process. Compared to many other installations that you're going to see online, you're going to see how simple the process looks the way that I do it. And in reality, these 4 trucks are not that complicated when they don't have the center seat, the third one in the front line. So, airbag. For this, we're going to need a small extension and a 10 socket. There is 2 nuts in the back of the airbag to get them off. We pull the airbag. We retrieve the new pocket. It has 2 holes. So this has to align there. I'm going to go down so you can see how it's loaded. And that's it. It's going back. Alignment with the hole. Put it back on. Uh, Guide the nuts. Few threads. Put it back on. Don't over squish them because the rods are made out of copper. Now airbag is in place. This is our secret. Everybody has their secret sauce. This is ours. This is just nylon. You don't put it on top of the airbag. That's not a good thing. You just put it in the foam. Now this cover is the old generation. Our new cover, the new generation, this material is slippery, so you don't need the nylon. But because this material is not that kind, we're going to use the nylon just so we can align the cover perfectly. And you don't have to fight to make the alignment. That's it. We're gonna load it from the other side. I'm gonna demonstrate in a minute. I'm gonna prepare the other one. And then we're gonna put the cushions. We're gonna get this off. And it doesn't gonna take long to finish that process. My wire and my phone to the other side. Just like that. Now that I have everything in place, just gonna center it. I'm gonna trim it here. That was it. Gonna go to the other side. And that's why I like the floor versus the bench. Give you more leverage. I'm gonna connect the heater back on. Now this one becomes slightly restricted because of the molding, but I prefer to work this way than remove the whole molding. So I already guided the beginning of the molding, the trimming assembly. I just finishing up, pushing it up with a clip remover, and that was it. I set my molding back on. And I didn't need it to remove all that. Put my screw back. Everybody has their own secret sauce. And years of experience allows to do things like that. And now you guys can enjoy the benefits of that expertise. Click belt. And the last step. And again, normally you will have to detach all this wiring and all these sections. Is that really necessary? No. Can it compromise the wiring? No. For the beginners, this cut is mostly marked first with chalk. For the pros, we just know the size. Now we're gonna do the steaming process. This particular kit has some kind of stiff leather. Our LeatherTeck kits, the leather is less rigid, softer.